Hello friends, I am here with this new machine 1+3 soda bottling plant software base. You can see this machine, how beautifully this machine is manufactured. You can see the look of this machine. Machine will show you the degree, like the soda which you have filled is of how much degree. This you will get to see here. And this two system is upgraded newly in this machine. Here you will get to see the voltage. From this 3 tap you can fill syrup, and from this 1 tap you can fill non-carbonated drink. And from this machine you can do different types of production like jeera masala, jeeru, orange, jamfal, kala khatta, etc. And you can do production of different bottle like 200 ml to 3 liter. And you can earn many more profit from this machine. So purchase like this machine from SS Soda Machine. Contact number is this. Thank you.